what's going to happen, how long we're going to be there. So she's concerned because Paul's got to go to work for 3. So she doesn't want to be home alone. So the poor kid says, "Grandpa, my mother can go to work with her."
I don't want to be an asshole.
So Paul says, she's a supervisor. She can't take you to work. So she told me I have to call by 1 o'clock because after that you're going to leave. I have to call by 1 and let her know if I'm coming home. That's what I was about to ask her. If I don't come home, then what?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. Go suck on the pillow.
I know.
She says either way you have to stay home. Get him a French bread or something. Oh,
Hit
yeah.
it in the face.
Yeah.
Come on, I want to see it. I hold it, don't let it do it.
Do the face.
Come on, I want to see it.
It's like this. Good, show him. Good. Oh, look at her legs. She got a nice little shape to that. You're going to give your father a face. She could hear you, but she doesn't sound like a real dog. She does that. She stares at you like,
Put it on YouTube.
look at Kathy.
Oh my God. She's calling you Kathy.
She's going like this now. Now she's doing the 3 Stooges. Oh, yeah. Now she's sucking on her tongue. Yeah, she's like an old lady. She's all like this. Like she's gums. Like no. Like she has no. I'm going to show your father that. Oh my God! What the hell? What the hell was that? I was like she was having a seizure or something. Jesus! Oh my gosh! It's like she's a wild dog or something. She's got rabies. I'm taking a video. She's got rabies.